Okay, sorry, I actually got cut off of the other one, so let me just finish. And there's not even a lot left. Okay, so the moon phases. For right now, I just want you to copy this diagram into your notes. Make sure you add the arrows showing that the moon does travel around the Earth counterclockwise. Um, Maybe in 5th grade, 4th grade, you learned the moon phases and you had to know them by heart. At this level, you need to be able to know the moon phases based on the sun's position, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. So it's not necessarily how they look as much as it is the order they go in. Okay, so we'll practice that in class. Skipping all of this. Okay, we've had 12 men walk on the moon, and of course the only two we know by heart are Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, as they were captain and co-captain of the lunar module Eagle, the Apollo mission. We just went over this today in class. What's most important is knowing Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, the name of their module. Their mission was the Apollo 11 mission, and that the Russians did claim that they were there before us, even though they really have no proof. Oops, let me go back. This page, you don't need to write this. This is just fun facts if you're interested in those kinds of things that have to do with the moon. So if you want to, pause it and take a moment to look at them. Okay, we're going to talk about the seasons. Again, I would draw this diagram, but what I'm going to teach you how to do in class is how to see a picture of the Earth with the shadow and the lit part from the sun on it, and you should be able to know what season it is just based on how it looks. But for right now, go ahead and draw these and label these. Okay, what's important here is that the seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth. It has nothing to do with the Earth suddenly moving closer to the sun or farther away. It doesn't do that. It's just that it's tilted. So when we're tilted toward the sun, we have summer. We're tilted away, we have winter. And the northern and southern hemispheres are always opposite. So we move into winter right now as they are moving into summer. Okay, the summer solstice, I would write this and draw the diagram. Lots of diagrams in this one. So you can see in the picture, the summer solstice is June 21st. The sun rises up very high in the sky. At noon, it's at its highest point. So this is going to be our longest amount of sunlight during the year. The autumn equinox meaning equal, we have 12 hours of day and 12 of night. You can see it only goes about midway up and then comes back down. This can occur on the 21st or the 22nd. It's literally determined by sunrise and sunset. They are looking for that exactly 12 and 12. The winter solstice, we're getting close to it. It comes up, goes right back down. It's not out for very long. December 21st, our first day of winter, is going to be our shortest day of sunlight. The vernal equinox, again, we have that equal 12 and 12, March 21st to the 22nd. And so it comes right back again to that midsection of the sky. All right, so this is a picture of what the Earth looks like with the shadow on it. In class, we will practice figuring out how you can tell by the picture which season it is. And actually, that's it. I told you this section would be small. Everything else we'll talk about in class and practice. All right, see you guys Monday. Have a good weekend.